Hello, my name is Dwayne Buckle. I'm the festival director here at the Sound and Vision International Film and Technology Festival. We are a unique festival showcasing the best of independent cinema, featuring feature films, documentaries, promotional videos, corporate videos, short films, and music videos. If you would like to be a part of the festival, please send us your film at our website, which is soundandvisionfilmfest.com. Also, you could submit on filmfreeway.com. This has been a wonderful film festival. We showcase the best works in independent cinema, and awards were given to the best works. We pride ourselves in showcasing the best international films with unique expression in sound and vision. So come again next year as we present the third annual Sound and Vision Film and Technology Festival taking place in New York City. See you in September. Bye.